Biometrics is the science and technology of measuring and analyzing biological data. It comes from the Greek words bio, meaning life, and metric, to measure. Biometrics are technologies used for measuring and analyzing a person's unique characteristics. In information technology, biometric refers to technologies that measure and analyze human body characteristics, such as DNA, fingerprints, eye retinas and irises, voice patterns, facial patterns, and hand measurements for authentication purposes. Authentication by biometric verification and identification is becoming increasingly common in corporate and public security systems. Now, identification is determining who a person is. It involves trying to find a match for a person's biometric data in a database containing records of people and that characteristic. This method requires time and a large amount of processing power, especially if the database is very large. Verification is determining if a person is who they say they are. It involves comparing a user's biometric data to the previously recorded data for that person to ensure that this is the same person. This method requires less processing power and time and is used for access control to buildings or data. To prevent identity theft, biometric data is usually encrypted when it's gathered. Here's how biometric verification works on the back end. To convert the biometric input, a software application is used to identify specific points of data as match points. The match point in the database are processed using an algorithm that translates that information to a numeric value. The database value is compared with the biometric input the end user has entered into the scanner, and the authentication is either approved or denied.